Hello everyone. Today we are going to study about the second process of agricultural practices, that is sowing. Sowing is very important part of crop production and it means putting the seeds into the soil. Before sowing, a farmer need to select good quality of seed which should be healthy and disease free. Sometimes seeds are treated with fungicides to keep them disease free. How to select the good quality of seeds? For that, there is a water test in which first we take water and then add some seeds into it. Wait for some times, and if you see any floating seeds into the water, that will represent the damaged seeds. At the end of this video, we'll try to do the activity. For the high yield of the crop, farmer prefer to use healthy seeds. Now we will understand how is sowing done. Traditionally, sowing is done by broadcasting, means throwing a handful of seeds into the field. Later on, they used drill which are driven by bullocks. What is a drill? That is a cup-shaped instrument with a pipe attached which actually puts seeds into the soil. About the agricultural tool seed drill, we'll study in our next video. Nowadays, in modern technique of sowing, the tractors pull the seed drill, which makes it easy to sow seeds into the soil. What are the main points which we need to keep for the sowing into the mind that are here? First of all, we must know that we should choose good quality of seeds to get the higher and better quality of the crop. We should prevent overcrowding. Now we'll understand what is overcrowding. When too many seeds are sown at the same place or close to each other, they may not get proper air, water, sunlight and nutrients to grow into a good plant. So every seed need proper spacing between them so that they can get good air, water, nutrient and sunlight and grow into a new plant. So proper distancing between the seeds is required to prevent overcrowding. Sowing seeds at proper depth is also important as seed may get proper nutrients from the soil and proper water. If any seed is grown at very low into the soil, it may not get proper water and air and not grow into a good plant. So these are three main things which a farmer need to take care. Along with this, seeds should be sown at proper time, season and into the proper soil quality for a particular crop. After that, we are going to study about a topic, transplantation. What is transplantation? Mostly all the seeds are grown into the field to get a crop. But there are some crops like rice which are not directly grown into the field. The small rice plants are grown into the nursery. How is it done? First, the seeds are sown into the small nursery where they grow into small tiny plants. This is done to check the quality of the seeds, also to provide proper nutrients and water to the plant. When the small plants are ready, they are shifted to the field, and this process of planting the small plants into the field is called transplantation. As it is told here, first seeds are grown in nursery and then tiny plants called seedlings are transplanted in the fields. So this is known as transplantation. Now let us try to do the activity to check the quality of seeds. I have taken few amount of seeds here and this is water bowl. I am going to put these seeds in the bowl and stir it. Let us wait for few seconds. Are you able to see? Most of the seeds have settled down at the bottom. But if we try to see, we can see here two seeds are floating. I don't know, is it visible to you? There are two seeds floating. What could be the reason? Actually, when a seed is damaged, it becomes hollow from inside, which shows that it is not good and healthy seeds. So the seeds which are floating, they are light in weight, due to which they float on the surface of water. So this is the way to check all the seeds which are settled down at the bottom. They are good seeds and can be sown into the field to get a good crop. Hope you will be able to learn. Thank you. Keep learning.